Go ahead.
Hi, my name's Gary Smith. I'm a QMT2, and today I'm going to go through the pneumatic systems, how to check them, and how to set thermostats. The tools you'll need to do a pneumatic calibration is a pneumatic calibration kit. This can be bought through Granger. In the kit, you will find a bulb and a gauge. That's for testing actuators and dampers. You will find a needle gauge. That's for checking thermostats. And you will have to supply this yourself, but you will need a good thermostat or thermometer.
Okay.
All right. You will also get a toolkit inside your kit. Carries a screwdriver, a needle valve, and an adjustment tool for actuators. The next thing you need to know about setting a thermostat is your control pressure. My control pressure is set at 18 psi. From the compressor to the system, I run 20 psi. That way I always have a good volume of air. Now we need to set the thermostat. The first thing we're going to do is remove the cover. All right. Removed our locking thermostat cover. And I'm going to go ahead and set my thermometer up top. Then I'm going to remove the thermostat cover. On the thermostat, we have several items we need to look at. You've got your inspection port. You got your thermometer. You got your thermostat control. And you've got your set screw. Now my thermometer at the top says it's 70.3 degrees. So I'm going to wet the tip of my needle valve because I am going through a dry rubber gasket in there. And my set point on this thermostat should be 9 pounds of pressure, which is...
Stop right there. Go ahead.
As you can see, my system pressure, my thermostat pressure is at 17 psi. It should be at 9 or half of the system pressure when my control on my thermostat is set at the same temperature as my room. All right, so what we have to do is we have to calibrate the thermostat and bring it down to 9 psi. And I go on the set screw. And now we are at 9 psi. This thermostat is ready for use. In conclusion, we have learned how to adjust a thermostat, but there's some other things you need to know. You need to know whether or not your thermostat is direct acting or reverse acting. You also need to calibrate twice a year. Every time you adjust a thermostat, you should calibrate these pneumatic thermostats to guarantee that you're getting the proper setting. There's also 2 different size needles that we use on these thermostats that I failed to tell you about. And one's about the size of a hypodermic. It is available through Train. That's where I got mine. And the other one is the one I showed you when I set my thermostat. I hope this helps you keep your stores more comfortable and get fewer complaints. And I thank you for your time.